Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to cancel a subscription or your trial here in HelloSign or Dropbox Sign. All right, so first up, go ahead and go to your profile picture right here at the top right. Click on it. Now go ahead over to settings. Okay, wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, go ahead and go to these tabs right here at the top and click on billing. Now, once you're in here, you can now go ahead and go to plan. And here your plan will be listed. You can now go ahead and click on cancel plan. Or if you want to change your plan, go ahead and click on change plan in here. Okay. I'm just going to go ahead and click on cancel plan. Wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, there will be a prompt. You can now go ahead and click on cancel now. And after that, you're good to go. It says here your web subscription has been canceled. If you want to resume the plan, you can go ahead and do so by clicking on resume plan in here. And if not, well, you're good to go. You will receive an email from Dropbox stating that your Dropbox Sign subscription for your email has been canceled and will no longer be billed. And don't worry, you can reactivate your subscription as I've said earlier. And that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.